MIHIRA, the anti-dandruff shampoo you're looking for, is ketoconazole-based. It's potent, but it can be drying. To counter that, we recommend alternating it with a gentler, moisturizing shampoo. Now, while it's effective for most dandruff, persistent issues might indicate underlying scalp conditions like psoriasis or eczema. If the problem persists after a month of consistent use, it's crucial to consult a dermatologist. Also, remember scalp hygiene is key. Avoid overly hot water, harsh scrubbing, and frequent hair washing, as these can exacerbate dandruff.
So I should use this ketoconazole shampoo, but not every day? And if my scalp doesn't improve, I need to see a skin doctor? It's confusing.
Exactly. It's a balancing act. The ketoconazole targets the dandruff-causing fungus, but overuse can strip your scalp's natural oils. Moisturizing shampoo helps restore balance. If the dandruff is stubborn, it might be something more than just dry scalp. A dermatologist can pinpoint the exact issue and prescribe a suitable treatment. Mihira, it sounds like you're experiencing some concerns about continued hair fall, and I want to assure you that we understand how distressing this can be. It's completely natural to feel worried when you notice persistent changes like this. Should your hair fall continue despite current efforts, or if you begin to notice any new or unusual symptoms, it would be really important to explore this further. The next compassionate step would be to schedule a follow-up appointment with your doctor. This allows them to conduct a more in-depth assessment. They might consider various treatments, such as specific topical applications designed to stimulate hair growth or reduce shedding, which can be very effective for some individuals. Crucially, they can also investigate whether there might be an underlying medical condition contributing to your hair fall. Sometimes factors like thyroid imbalances, nutritional deficiencies, or even certain medications can play a role, and identifying these is key to finding the most appropriate solution. Rest assured, the goal is always to get to the root cause and find a way to manage this for you. So please don't hesitate to reach out if your hair fall persists.